If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can also apply guide layouts, which you can modify and save as new guide layout presets to apply a set of default guides to help with design and layout. To apply a guide layout in Photoshop, select View, Guides, New Guide Layout from the menu bar to open the New Guide Layout dialog box. To select where to place the guide layout if adding it to a Photoshop document that contains artboards, choose the desired artboard name or the canvas choice as needed from the Target dropdown. To apply a saved guide layout preset or one of the default presets, select it from the Preset dropdown. Alternatively, to customize a guide layout, which you can then save if desired, set the desired guide layout settings in the dialog box. To set the color of the guides, select a color from the Color dropdown or click the color swatch to its right to set a custom color in the Color Picker Guides Color dialog box that opens, and click the OK button. To enable columns in the guide layout, check the Columns checkbox and enter the number of columns into its number field. Optionally, to set the width of the columns, enter the column width and its unit of measurement abbreviation into the width field. To optionally apply gutter spacing between the columns, enter the column gutter measurement and its unit of measurement abbreviation into the gutter field. To enable rows in the guide layout, check the Rows checkbox and enter the number of rows into its number field. Optionally, to set the height of the rows, enter the row height and its unit of measurement abbreviation into the height field. To optionally apply gutter spacing between the rows, enter the row gutter measurement and its unit of measurement abbreviation into the gutter field. To specify margins for the guide layout around the border of the selected canvas or artboard, check the Margin checkbox. Then enter the desired value and unit of measurement abbreviation for the top, left, bottom, and right sides as desired. To center the columns in the guide layout, check the Center Columns checkbox. To let this guide layout clear any existing guides in the selected canvas or artboard, check the Clear Existing Guides checkbox. To save your current guide layout settings as a new guide layout preset, select the Save Preset choice from the Preset dropdown in the New Guide Layout dialog box to open the Save As dialog box. Then type a name for the custom guide layout preset into the File Name field and click the Save button. The guide layout name should then appear in the Preset dropdown. To delete a custom guide layout you have created if needed, select the Delete Preset choice from the Preset dropdown to open the Delete Preset dialog box. Select the name of the custom guide layout preset to delete from the Preset dropdown, and then click the Delete button in the dialog box. Then click Yes in the confirmation prompt window to finish. To apply your new guide layout in Photoshop, click the OK button in the New Guide Layout dialog box to apply the preset or customized guide layout to the selected artboard or canvas. You can move and delete the guides in the guide layout just as you normally move and delete guides. Also note that for Photoshop documents containing multiple sets of guides on artboards and the canvas, you can also clear guides from each artboard or the canvas independently. To clear guides from a selected artboard, if needed, select the artboard in the Layers panel. Then select View, Guides. Clear selected artboard guides from the menu bar. To clear guides from only the canvas and leave artboard guides intact, select the View, Guides, Clear Canvas Guides command from the menu bar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.